ವಿಷಯ ಮಾತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಲ್ಲಾರ್ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಬಾಕಿದ ವಿಷಯ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ದಿಗಿ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಒಂಚೂರ್ದಾಲ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಆರು ಮಂದಿ ಬೇರೆ. But I feel really happy to be here, and thank you so much for inviting me. It's a wonderful, wonderful initiative by KMC, and I think this is a much needed wing for women and children. And being a mother and being a woman, I think it's very important to understand that you cannot ignore yourself. You must value your health first. And it's all about, I feel it's all about the child. You know, the child takes over. And I just think it's just the preconditioning of us women in India in general. But I feel very happy to hail from Karnataka and to, you know, be a bunt, because there's something as a, you know, something really unique about us, because the way we are looked after during our pregnancy and even the postnatal care. I think, as Dr. Ballal was saying, it's really wonderful to know that the maternal mortality rate is very low here, and it really goes to, I think, also the conditioning and the taking care. And now there are facilities like KMC, which is only going to better it. So a huge congratulations to everyone involved, and I feel really happy to be here. Bokka data patirudu dala miss out madena. But also I have to say undu wow contest bari wow ittindi. I was very amused, and it is really wonderful that so many mothers took part, and it's nice to see that, you know, they're all like gung ho. I'm very jealous. Yeah, while I'm very slim and trim right now, I wish I had a baby bump, because that joy it's unmatched. So hearty congratulations to all of you, and yeah, I meant that. Yes, so I'm just thinking, what have I missed out on?
Okay.
I think that should be good. And it's always wonderful to be here. And he mentioned Pelakai the Gatti. It would have been wonderful if you brought some Pelakai the Gatti. Now I'm craving it.
I don't know the name.
Itchy, yeah. Okay, if not Pelakai the Gatti, then maybe Kori Roti. There's always something. But it's always wonderful to come to where I belong. And this is where I hail from. This is where I will always belong. So thank you so much for inviting me back again, and to reconnecting me, to be, you know, for inviting me to be able to reconnect with my roots. I crave for these occasions. And yeah, I'm looking forward to my trip to Katil now. Thank you all.
This center has the facilities which are on par with the best in the world. This center has a team of doctors which are
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली, चुरा के दिल मेरा सांसों से कहते हो बाहों में आ जा,
नागिन से बल खा के
हाय 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 हाय
नैन से नैन लड़ा के
हाय 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 हाय.
Special thanks, Panpa. Now we invite you forward for the launching of the new wing department. We'd also like to request Dr. H.S. Ballal to please join us, sir. I would like to request Indira ma'am.